dissecting a bird egg. Don't you guys worry, it is definitely 100% dead because the mother has not been on the nest for like weeks, and I've already dissected one and it stunk like rotten egg. All right, let's start. Here we go. All right, we have a little crack. Oh, there it goes. As you can see, there's like some kind of thing forming right here. Don't worry, it's 100% dead because I could tell it stinks like really bad. Look, you can see a head. For the millionth time, it is definitely dead because this reeks like rotten eggs. The gut. And there you have it. That's what it looks like when you dissect an egg. What are you looking at, chickens? Huh? What are you looking at?